Ladies and gentlemen, morning to you. I'm technician Michael from JFM phone repair. Leero ngenda balaga ngejje basulamu iPhone 5 ebeera n'obusumaali bubeera wano. Busumaali bubeera wano. This is iPhone 5. Kati bw'omala osumula obwo obusumaali buno obubiri wano nga buvuddemu, you get oyingizaamu olwala bw'oti bwala, oba you get a leather blade or anything. You get a leather blade like this. Then tugenda ku replacinga ki new battery. We're going to replace new battery. Then some boards. How to open iPhone 5 like this, like this, like this. This is iPhone 5 like this. Now like this, like this, like this. Wano tuba tugenda nkulaga engeri eno screen. This is the complete screen for iPhone 5. These are the fibers for earpiece, for touch, plus the screen. Now this is its battery. Battery inagenda wano wait. You put it like this. Battery agenda like this. This is the battery. And if you want to replace the screen, you do like this. Nebweyingirayo bwe buti mpola mpola ne bwoti. This is how it goes like this. Okugisumula ojjamu busumaali noyisaayo olugalo bwoti nojjayo bwoti. Battery like this. Battery it looks like this. This is battery iPhone 5 wezibeera. Battery za iPhone zitera kwebaka wano. And this is the screen. Screen ojijjayo bwoti. Screen you get a pin, anything like this, like this bwoti. And a screen. This is the earpiece gy'owulirirako. And this is a camera eba efulumizza wano. This is iPhone 5 ebeera bwe camera yeno. This is the battery terminal zikomba wano. Eno ye fiber for charging. This behind the part. This is the charging port kiba the one fiber. Eno ye ringa. And this is the SIM card slot kavaayo bwe kati n'okazaayo bwe kati kabeerayo bwe kati. Kyekyo bannange.